Hey there. So today, what we have done is we have made a very simple project using ESP32 and LED. So we have used LED and ESP32 before also, but now what we are doing is we are integrating this external LED with the internal LED of the ESP32. As we can see that when the external LED is turning on, the internal LED is turning off, and whenever the internal LED is turning on, the external LED is turning off. So this is the simple replica of integrating both the LEDs, that is internal and external LED of the ESP32 module. So now the connections is very simple. So we have connected the external LED to the pin number 4 of the ESP32 module. So why 4, why not 2? So the internal LED of the ESP32 is connected to the D2 of the ESP32 module. So if we connect the same LED in the same pin, then it might be little harder to make this simple project. So that is why we are using the different pin. So now let us see the circuit diagram and code. And the connection is very simple, as we know that pin number 4 of the ESP is connected to the positive side of the LED. So let us see the circuit diagram and the code of this project. So as we have seen the code and as we have seen the circuit diagram, now we will see the code and understand it. So this here is a very simple code. So now there are two pins used. As I have told you that the internal LED of the ESP32 module will be connected to the uh, blue LED, which is on the ESP32 will be connected to the pin number 2, and the external LED is connected to the pin number 4 of the ESP32 module. So both a blue LED and the external LED are the outputs of the this project. And now when blue LED will be on, the external LED will be off. That is, blue LED is high and external LED is low, that is pin number 4 will be low for 2 seconds. And when the external LED is on, the blue LED will be low and the external LED will be high, and this is going to take a delay of 2000 millisecond, that is 2 seconds. So overall, for 2 seconds the internal LED, that is blue LED, will be on, and for 2 seconds the um, external LED will be on. And now if we want both the things to be on and off together, we will just change these values to high and low. So this is low. If I change it to high, then both will be on together, and if I change this as low, then the both will be off together. So let us not make that. So I want it to work like integrated way. So I'll make it low and high. So when blue is on, red will be off, and when red is on, and the blue will be off. So after that, after writing this code, I will just select the board and the communication port of ESP for the ESP32, and now I will click on upload. And while uploading, before uploading itself, the code will be compiled automatically, and after that it will be starting to upload. So as we can see that there are no errors, and it is connected and starting to upload. So sometimes what happens is, after this message, the connecting message here, the ESP might show some error. So for that, what we will do is, again we will click on upload, and hold the boot button for 8 to 10 seconds. And when we scroll down, we can see that uploading had started from 0% to 100%. So when we see this message 100%, that means the code is uploaded successfully. So now we have learned how to make this code and how to make the connections all. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.